Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I am here with a new mini album to share with you. This is actually quite a large book. This is a 9x9 Lapbook style album. So yeah, let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to share with you a new project. This is one of my class kits for the month of August, and I love this collection so much. This is the Homegrown collection by Prima, and it is just adorable. So on this kit you receive the collection, some complimentary papers by Peon Papers, these beautiful Prima flowers and butterflies, the cheaper pieces, just basically everything that you see, the ephemera. And so yeah, super beautiful collection. So if you're interested on purchasing the kits, I will have a link below. This is the August kits #1. So if you want to subscribe to the kits, this will still be the collection that you'll be getting for the month of August. You can subscribe to one kit or subscribe to the bundle, or you can also just get it as a standalone. And of course, as always, I will have just a video class with a cutting guide link as well. Now let's just go ahead and take a look at the book. So again, this measures 9x9. The spine is 2 inches, and we have a lot of different elements on this book, so it's quite a chunky one. On the cover here, I am using the beautiful paper, and I am making some of these windows open up. I think this looks really cute. I have a cute little mouse there, and then here as well, a cute little mouse behind this window. And I love the paper. I adore the garden and the images here. I'm calling this the plant boutique. And then of course the beautiful butterflies. And then on the back I have this gorgeous apple and flowers paper. And now let's take a look inside. So this is a Lapbook style book, lots of different moving interactive little pieces here. And let's take a look over to this side. So over here first, this gorgeous image from the collection. This little piece opens up. Also it says the Plant Boutique, up and down. And then we have this cute little spinning feature here. Perfect to put all of your gardening pictures there. This piece then opens down, and when we open this down, we have a large area here for a picture. And then over here, a cute little image that says garden. So I use some of the ephemera to decorate this piece here. And then this opens up, places for pictures. And this is like a little elevator page. It goes up and down. So when you push this down, these two sections open up like that. So you can add a little picture or journaling. And then these slides back. We can place it right at the center, and we do have magnets going there as well. Now back here we also have a secret pocket, and I created some different booklets and elements on this pocket. Now I didn't add paper on all of the insert elements, but I did also did the obviously tutorial showing you how I did that. This was kind of like on the last video. We just created some different large inserts for these pockets here, and then this goes back in place here, kind of like a little secret feature. Then this whole page opens up. I'm using some green complementary cardstock as well as some of the craft color on some of the pages, and some of my little leftovers. And this is not from the ephemera, but from the collection. There's also 2 sheets of cut aparts that you can use. Then this piece opens to the side. Again, some more green cardstock and different ephemera to decorate a little bit more the page. This opens down here, so large places for pictures. Then here in the center, this beautiful little mouse harvesting some apples, opens down, place for pictures here. So over here we have a triple waterfall. So this opens up like that, and we have a little pop-up on each one of these. So we have a little pop-up over here. We have a pocket, and I just turned some of my little scrap pieces into little cards. And then this also opens to the side, and then we have another cute little pop-up here. And then same thing for the other one. I left some of this blank. So we have again the little pop-up here with some ephemera, the pocket, so you can add more photo mats on that pocket as well. And then another cute little pop-up here. And then same thing over on this side. And another pocket. And then another sweet little pop-up, and lots of places for pictures here. And then this is the back of that. Now this whole piece opens to the side, and again places here for pictures. Use some ephemera to decorate. And then this piece here is a little accordion fold out, and it opens up like that. And then we can add pictures on each one of these sides here. And then you can also kind of just turn the pages and use both sides. And then here at the center, I used some of the large cutouts to create a bit of a journaling card. You can put a picture, but you can use this for journaling. I thought it would be really cute. And then this piece here opens up like that, so lots of room for pictures over here. And I really like how this page expands and how that turned out here. And then this whole thing closes, and then this closes, and this closes here on top. And so that is all that side. Now on the other section here we have another little booklet. So this is a gatefold booklet that spins around, and over here on the center we have a large accordion fold, so lots of room for pictures there. And I love the sweet images here on the collection, of course. Then this opens up like that, and we have another pop-up page here. Place for pictures on these two sides. You can do some more on the back. I added this little booklet here for journaling using some of my little scrap pieces. And then back here you see these two pull tabs. So we have two pull large sections, and each one of these also opens up. So I didn't add paper on everything to avoid some of the bulk, but I love these kind of like hidden features here. This gray color is part of the complementary papers, peon papers that we added on these kits. This whole thing closes, and then it opens up, so large area there for a picture. And then I love this page. We're using some of the Elements greenhouse page. This is another section that was kind of like a leftover piece, but I turned that into a booklet. This whole thing opens and comes out, so that's another large pocket here, and another large booklet. So this one I did embellish a little bit with some solid cardstock. This opens up here, lots of room for pictures here. Just added some of the ephemera, and it opens and opens, but I didn't want to fill this up too much with paper because it will bulk up, and you just have a lot of room for pictures on that one too. And then this goes back into the pocket, and it just magnetizes there in place. And then I added here some cardstock to do a little bit of journaling. You can also do little pictures there as well. Now this whole thing opens down, and so back here I use some of the ephemera again, or cut apart from the collection, and turn that into a corner pocket, and did this little booklet using some little leftover pieces. Perfect to put in there. And then back here, or here at the center, we have a gatefold page. This opens like that, and then here at the center we have a belly band, so you can add more photo mats in there. But also we have these two opening sections that also pull out to the sides. And a place for a picture, I just wanted to kind of add some papers, some little leftovers there to add more of the colors of the collection. And then both of these close. Of course, you can add pictures there as well, and then more formats on the back, and all of that closes. Then this also opens up, almost forgot. So this opens up, so lots of room for large pictures. And then I just again use these and back this on cardstock so we can use it as a journaling card, and then tag that in here, but you can put a picture on the back right there. And then this whole thing opens to the side. So again, more of that green cardstock embellished with some of the cut up parts from the ephemera. And then here at the center, this piece opens up. Beautiful display of the paper. So just a decoration page here, and another large insert. So use some of the ephemera to decorate. And then this has a belly band here, so you can add photo mats in there. And then this will close up so everything stays in place. And then this will go into this other large pocket. So I added quite a few of these hidden pockets right there. And then this piece opens to the side. And let me show you this side over here. So we have the cute little squirrels, and this is like a little tag spot, another one of these ephemera pieces that I'm turning into journaling cards. And then that just tucks in there like that. And then this piece pulls out, so you can pull this to the side. We have a cute little frog in there. And then once you pull this out, this whole page can open, and then these can also open, so a lot of places for pictures. I did glue this here to use as a little tuck spot, but of course you can keep this open for just large pictures there. And that closes and closes, and then this sliding page just goes back into this section here and slides that in there. And then this you can take out and place it anywhere really. You can put it over here, just wherever you want to put it, and I just put a picture there. But I kind of like this belly band as a little text. So over here we have this sweet image. I use a lot of the ephemera to kind of decorate, and then this opens and opens to the side, and this is a bit of an easel page, so this can come out, so that way you can see your pictures like that. And this whole page opens, so I'm just gonna open this up, and then we have a cute little display. And again, this easel page back here also works as a stand for this front page here, so it's a cute little display. And over here I wanted to do this little seed pockets. So if you use this book for journaling, you can put over here the name of your seeds that you're saving, and then just put all your seeds in here, which I thought it was a really cute idea. So I made 6 of those, and all of these just hang onto these kind of like belly bands. Now for the closure, I will show you on this one. I put a piece of Velcro, so when you put this in place, you can kind of just close that with your Velcro, so it's not opening, so you don't, you know, lose your seeds everywhere. But I didn't add that to each one of them because I didn't have enough Velcro for all of that. So, but also you can use these little pockets to just simply add a little note, a little journaling secret place in there. So I just really love how these came out. And of course you can make these ones bigger also if you want to have bigger tags, but I size everything so you can even hang some on the last band here, and you can still close and display them. Okay, so I love how that turned out. Let me give you a look over here this way. So that is how it looks from the top, from the front. But we're gonna keep this open and take a look over onto this side. So another one of the ephemera pieces. And this over here is a double accordion folds. I didn't want to, more paper here. It was getting a little chunky, but probably some solid cardstock or just your pictures directly onto these pieces. So these each open up and open up, so you have a lot of room on each one of these, and also on the back there. And then same thing for this one, they both open up, and then you have the back there as well. And then these both close and open like an accordion. So I really love how this book came out. I hope you guys like it as well. It was really fun to create, to put together, and I just absolutely love these paper collection. I can't remember which way this all closes. I love how this collection looks with the gardening and the mice, and there's one where the mommy mice is kind of like reading a book for her kids, and I just thought it was, every little bit of this was super fun and really adorable to play with. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the walkthrough of this book. I hope that you like how this came out. Again, the collection is so beautiful and just adorable to play with. So I'm gonna have the link to the video class on the description box below. Also, I do have these kits as a standalone, and if you subscribe to the monthly kits, this is still the kit for the month of August. We have options to subscribe to one kit or the 2 kits. So everything will be on the description box below, listed on my website. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.